Hello students, now I am going to discuss about the Palatine bones. These are also paired bones. This bone is situated between the maxilla in front and pterygoid process of the sphenoid behind. You see, each bone is L-shaped bone. It consists of two plates and three processes. This is horizontal plate. This one is perpendicular plate, and this is orbital process, this is sphenoidal process, and this is pyramidal process. Now description of the horizontal plate. You see, this is the horizontal plate. This plate is thin, flat and quadrilateral in shape. It has two surfaces and four borders. First, this is the nasal surface. You see, this surface is concave from side to side, and it forms the posterior part of the floor of the nasal cavity. And this is the palatine surface or lower surface. This joins with the opposite side of the palatine bone to form posterior 1/4 of the heart fillet. And another features in the palatine surface, you see, this is a carved crest, that is known as carved palatine crest, which is situated just close to the posterior border. This is the posterior border. So this is situated just close to the posterior border. This is known as carved palatine crest. Now come to the borders. This is the anterior border, which joins with the posterior border of the palatine process of maxilla. This is the posterior border. You see, this is free, thin and concave, and you see, in the medial end of the posterior border there is a conical backward projection. This joins with the opposite fellow to form a nasal spine, that is known as posterior nasal spine, that gives attachment to the musculus uvula. And this posterior border gives attachment to the expanded tendon of tensor veli palatini, that is known as palatine aponeurosis, and it extends up to the palatine crest. Now come to the medial border. So this one, the medial border, that joins with the opposite fellow to form a crest that joins with the lower border of the femur. And this is the lateral border, horizontal plate. This is continuous with the perpendicular plate. And then this is marked by the lower end of the greater palatine groove.